Let's see how sus these get. Why'd I have the bug? Sus. So sus. He's subscribed. Why is it like a gun? Oh my god, it zoomed in on the butt. Oh my god. Yabba again, yes. No, guys, don't smash the Pokemon. Why did they butt faces? It's him eating something. Uh-huh. Pichu, no. Is this inside? Careful, this is uncharted territory. I'm concerned. Oh my dear, it's a little late today, isn't it? I've never been married. What is happening? I'm so confused. I'm majorly confused. Okay, the detail, the HD that he's done on this though is insane, but he wanted to know why Pokemon are being caught in the Pokeballs. Okay. Oh my freaking god. Yeah, but yes, it's slightly sus. It's sus adjacent. It's pretty sus. One of those ultra balls. Don't. That's cute. I want that one. He's so cute. Oh, why does he look scared? The one on the red, right? She's in a losing business? Whoa, look at those abs.
Poggers!
What timing? Can you feel the power? No, not the bunny. No, not the bunny. Oh, why? Of course they're sus. Why are they sus? Why is Snorlax sus? Belly is. She is very well toned. But who I would love to react to. The censorship. You can put it in Discord and I can do it later. I wouldn't be able to censor it on Twitch. There's no law against the Pokemon Batman. No! It's hair loss. Oh, now he's bald again. Are you a psychopath? I want to be a good swimmer. Bad fruit. You can't swim anymore? It's a side effect? That's evil. We're doing some sus content. We start in, I'm gonna try and start in just Sunny, but we needed to do some sus content usually. So